In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image on Mailchimp, and it should only take about 5 minutes. If you're trying to enhance your email campaign's visual appeal with a background image, you're in the right place. Whether you're using Mailchimp's classic builder or the new builder, adding a background image is a straightforward process. Let's go through it step by step. First, ensure you're logged into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific campaign that you want to edit. This might be a draft you're working on or an existing campaign you're planning to update with a more dynamic look. After you've opened the campaign, locate and click on the Edit Design button. This action will bring you into the email editor where you'll have the opportunity to modify various aspects of your email's look and feel. Now direct your attention to the right panel in your editor. Here you'll find several tabs designed to help you customize different elements of your email. Click on the tab labelled Style, and within it you'll see a section called Body. Select this option, which is where we'll begin making our background image adjustments. Once you've clicked into the body section, start scrolling down until you arrive at the background section. This is the area where all the magic happens regarding your email's background. You should see an option labelled Upload. This is what you'll click on to add your background image. Choosing the perfect image is key, so take a moment to pick one that aligns well with your brand's aesthetic or the message of your campaign. Whether it's a seasonal theme or something that strengthens your brand identity, your background image should enhance your email visually. As a quick tip, make sure your image is optimized for fast loading to avoid affecting your email's performance. After you've uploaded the image, it's essential to save your changes. You wouldn't want all your hard work to go to waste, right? So ensure you click that Save button. To make sure everything looks just as you imagined, use the preview option available. This feature allows you to see your email from a subscriber's perspective, giving you a clear idea of how the background image integrates with the content. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a compelling background image to your Mailchimp email campaign, enhancing its visual appeal with a personal touch. Feel free to experiment with different images and styles to find what works best for you and your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.